Today's featured car of the day is a 1966 Chevrolet Caprice Coupe with a 396 engine, a big block Chevy. And this particular car I recorded at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And this one was a real beauty, being white with the contrasting turquoise interior. Definitely was caught your eye, that's for sure. And the Caprice was actually introduced by Chevrolet in 1965, where it was a higher line, luxury line above the Impala. And in 1966, Chevrolet production numbers were they sold actually 181,000 Caprice, of which 107,000 were the two doors. The rest were four-door sedans, and that was out of 2,206,639 vehicles total production for Chevrolet in 1966. So it was just a small part of that number. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.